Have you ever wondered why in a spacious, comfortable room they choose to lie right here? Not on an expensive bed, not in a private corner, but right under your feet. A gentle touch, a weight pressing on your toes. We often think it's just a habit or affection. But hidden deep within that simple act is the echo of an ancient instinct that has endured for tens of thousands of years. A story of survival, loyalty, and the laws of the pack. Let's turn back time. Before they became companions by the fireplace, their ancestors were warriors of the wilderness. In the harsh, natural world, solitude meant death. To survive freezing winter nights, wolves had to follow an unchanging law: physical connection. When a wolf lies close to its packmates, it's not just for sharing warmth, it's wordless communication. The heartbeats of the entire pack sync together. One wolf's breath is a signal of safety to another. And most importantly, position. In the pack, the leader, the alpha, makes the decisions. When you lie close to the alpha's feet, you're the first to know when the alpha moves. If the alpha stands to hunt, you know. If the alpha flees from danger, you know. Physical contact is the internet of the wild world, transmitting survival information faster than any howl. Thousands of years of domestication haven't erased that instinct. In this concrete home, you are the alpha. You provide food, open doors, and lead the way. To your dog, your feet are the anchor of their world. By lying on or pressing against your feet, they're setting up an information checkpoint. They want to ensure, if my owner goes somewhere, I won't be left behind. It's the fear of separation from the pack. But it's not just submission. It's also protection. When a dog lies with its back to you, but pressed tightly against your feet, it's saying, "I'll guard the front. You can rest easy." They use their body as a living shield for the most important member of the pack. And right at that point of contact, a biological miracle happens. Oxytocin, the love hormone, is released in the brains of both of you. The touch brings absolute feelings of safety. Next time you feel a warm fur pressing on your foot, causing numbness or inconvenience, don't rush to push it away. Because in this vast and sometimes frightening world, you are their pack, their family, their entire world, and they just want to be by your side.